I'm Grylls. Welcome to the jungle. I've been left alone in one of the most dangerous jungles on this green earth, with only a camera and my will to survive. This is man versus plant. Now, the life in this jungle is very dangerous and unpredictable. Plants like these could easily eat you alive. The natives actually thought around this by leaving plaques with the plant's name, little description, and just some fun trivia, fun trivia on the plant. A little thing you should know about this place is it's been deserted for eons. Deserted for eons. The natives actually, no one's around anymore because they died out tragically due to rattlesnake infestation. Look, I found them. The ancient jungle pipes. These were said to have been built by the natives who would pump water around the jungle. They supplied water to the jungle to help the natives survive. Arid Zone 4, commonly known as one of the most deadly and inhospitable places in the jungle. Cacti like these should never be touched by a human finger. Don't worry, guys. For me, I'm a survival expert. Which sadly can't be said about my mate Gary, who tragically lost his life when a rattlesnake ate him alive. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, that's the scientific name for this.
Look, a native in the flesh.
What's wrong with
you there? Yeah, got it. Fucking hard. Garrett? Gary, you're alive.
what the fuck?
Mate, I'm sorry. Gary, you're alive? What?
Alright.
I thought you got eaten by the rattlesnake. I thought you were rattlesnake food.
Nah, mate, nah. Just gonna get some chips if you wanna come.
Would, but I can't really.
Guess I'll just have to go myself then.
Yeah, that was Gary. Gary taught me all I know about nature. You know that? Like this, for example, this big spiky tree plant known for its sap. Fuck, that's man. I can't do that.
What? Bear? Got a TV show to film, man.
Greenhouse, son. What is this?
Come on, man. It's in your contract.
So, how did you get out of that rattlesnake anyway?